Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to create piping attas in AVEVA E3D. We are using mostly three types of attas in piping while we are modeling. First one is a simple one, simple atta, which show any information to the concerned person. In atta you can put some comment there. This is the first one. Second is support atta, which represent the support location. And third one is deck penetration atta, and like we have a pipe here which is crossing to the deck and we are putting atta here. This is in deck one. Another one is piping split atta, which will split the piping isometric into two sheets from the one sheet. So let's start. And while creating atta, you have to click on piping components. I'm on the piping components here, and here you have to select this attachment symbol when you click here, and here all type of attas are reflecting. It varies different to different project. Maybe in your E3D it will be different, and my E3D is showing something different. It's purely depend upon the admin. So let's say first I will create this atta here, and I want to create atta here in this elbow, and you have to select this one, and you have to select this one. You can see here data is created here. You can move by the move command here. Let's say I want to move by south a meter here. The attachment is created here. And you want to type something, you have to type here as text. And for E3D commands, I will give you the link below in the description. You can go and check all types of E3D command there. Now come back to attas. I want to give some text. First you have to type as text, put quote here, and put your comment. Let's say new routing required. If someone check and he put this one, and you have to click here MTCO off, so it will not reflect on the MTO off. So now we will run this one in the isometric. You can see here data is showing here with dimension. New routing is required here. Now this is only one sheet. Let's say you want two sheets. We have to put another atta. Let's here. Now I click here and I will create new attas here. It is same atta here, or you want to put support atta, we will create here, and we will move by south 2 meter. Now again we will run the isometric and we will see here. You can see the S4 new support atta is created here. This is the for supports. You can see here, it's showing here pipe support atta. So this is the second type of atta. And now we will create piping split atta, and here again we create new atta, and we will put this one and we will move by south 4 meter. This time we will change the A type. You have to type here A T T Y and type here 5 times X. enter, and now you will see the isometric is split into two sheets. We select here. You can see here, previously it was only one, and now it is showing two sheets. So in this way, we can split isometrics as per our own convenience or as per requirement in the A3D. You see, previous one is like this only, and this is in the two sheets. This is the ATTY. Now I will show you one here. Now this grating is deck penetration is there, and when we will run this isometric, see there is no grating symbol there. Now we will create data here. First you have to make it this branch, see here, and you have to create here deck penetration data here, and this symbol ATA is created here, and we have to bring this ATA into the grating. So for that you can throw ID at the rate. Let's see it's working or not. It's perfectly working. Now it is there. Now we will run this isometric. You will see the grating symbol there. You can see here. Now we can see the grating symbol. Make sure when you are putting these symbols, and always put the MTC off, so it will not reflect into the MTO. MTOC off. So in this way we can create 4 ATAs in AVEVA E3D. If you have any comment related to ATAs, please put your comments in the comment box.